Hi, I'm Kate Porras with RE/MAX 4000 and welcome to 3141 Snake River Drive. This is a charming home in southeast Grand Junction. It's Energy Star rated and has so many great features, including solar panels that are owned by the HOA, but you still reap the energy savings, an Energy Star rated roof, low E windows, high efficiency lighting, and so much more. Can't wait to show you inside. This home has more than 1,700 square feet. It's on 2 levels. First level has all of your main living areas, great living space. I love the electric fireplace, gives it a great ambiance. And then all of this opens up into the kitchen. You have updated countertops, freshly painted cabinets with new hardware, a great gas stove, and I love having a pantry. There's also a cute half bath on this level. The 3 bedrooms are upstairs. We'll start in the primary bedroom where you have these lovely French doors leading the way. Lots of natural light in this room. And check out the ensuite bathroom. It's been updated as well with some great design features. The second bedroom is quite large. You could fit big furniture in here if you want, or maybe make it an office space, even a den. There's one more bedroom on this level, as well as a full bath. Another great feature is the location of the laundry room just outside the bedrooms. It too is large and bright. The backyard is quiet and private as well. A great space for sitting. They have their fire pit here, room for all of your grills, lawn to play on, gardens to grow things in, and there's even a small space for an RV or small trailer. And the location couldn't be better. You're very close to Corn Lake State Park, have easy access to the Riverfront Trail and the Colorado River. For more information about this home, give me a call at 970-985-8555 or visit kateporras.com.